5. Working 9 to 5. What a way to make a living.
Hi, Mrs. Wallace. Welcome to my construction site / classroom. We are going to have so much fun this year. We are going to be in the building process, and I want to welcome you to 5th grade, and I'm looking forward to building with you. I'm going to show you a few things in our classroom that might be helpful and kind of put your nerves at ease. Some of you are probably getting anxious. Some of you are probably really excited, but this will just be a little tour of our classroom. Okay, here's going to be your mailboxes. This is where you're going to be storing your folders, your journals that we're going to be using for our math notes as well as social studies. Mostly math, social studies, I'm not sure we'll be doing journals for them, but maybe just a folder. But that'll all be stored right here. You'll each have an individual number, okay? Then you have your seating. This wall back here is going to be your word wall, where you can find anything you need to reference, okay? Over here is your workstation. Typically, this is where we would store extra pencils, pens, papers, notebook, pen, whatever you need. But it's kind of bare right now because we're having to do some things a little bit different this year, and you'll find more about that as you check on Google Classroom, read your procedure manual, or when you get here on Thursday. Posters up here, there's everything you need to know. If you ask me, when do we get out for Christmas break, you can come back here and find out for yourself, okay? This stuff will all be posted back here with the schedule as well. This area here is our Great Minds at Work Toolbox Extensions. This is work for those who finish early. You will have something you can come and get your box and work whatever's in it. There's different things in all boxes, so you don't know what you're getting when you. But it's all 5th grade, a little 6th grade, and a few 4th grade skills, things that you need to know for this year. Manipulatives. You have to phrase. Cut that one. Manipulatives for the 5th grade would be over here on this side. They are in open, clear containers where you can see what's going to be inside of it to help you identify if you need to use them. And over here will be our social studies corner and books, posters, whatever. This here will have some social studies things in it if you're interested or need to look at anything over here. This is the teacher table where we'll have our small groups. And smartboard, and back we will end at our teacher spot. That looks like a teacher spot.